I'm Joanna of grade 6D. The topic for English Art Integration Project is Responsible Consumption and Production, which is the 12th goal of the UN Sustainable Development Goal, which has to be achieved by 2030.
Delhi, world's most polluted city. India slips to 155 among 178 countries on Environment Performance Index. Nearing a choke point in Kerala. Experts say that pollution in state has risen and figures indicate that the warm and humid climate of Kerala is changing with increase in summer temperatures.
Friends, we have come across with such headlines on pollution. Do you know? People are polluting the planet, which leads to climatic changes and global warming. So, as a responsible person, we should think over it and start using eco-friendly products. So today, I'm going to show you an eco-friendly product which helps to reduce pollution on Earth.
The product I'm going to present is solar air conditioner. But before that, I'm going to tell you what is solar air conditioning. Solar air conditioning refers to any air conditioning system that uses solar power. This can be done through passive solar design, solar thermal energy conversion, and conversion from sunlight to electricity. Now let's see how it is consumed. Here in the second picture, we can see that the solar panels traps the sun's energy and that travels to the generator. And this generator converts the solar energy to electrical energy, that is electricity. And it travels to the stabilizer and then to the AC. And this is how solar air conditioner work. Now let's see the advantages of solar air conditioner. They are: it decreases the greenhouse gas emissions, it reduces the dependence on fossil fuels, it requires less maintenance cost, it shrinks the carbon footprint, and it increases the local air quality. Friends, let's see the demerits of an air conditioner used through non-renewable source of energy. They use a large amount of energy. CFCs present in them increases holes in the ozone layer, and it emits more carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. Friends, we must make sure the production process from manufacturers to consumers does no harm to nature nor the humanity and generates as little waste as possible. Save Earth, save future. Thank you.